Hey guys, it's Jane. Welcome back to another kanji lesson. For today, I'm gonna share with you the kanji for nature. I'm gonna share with you 6 kanji for today. We have nature part 1 and we are also gonna have nature part 2. Before we get started, I just wanna share with you that here at our NPO school, we teach Japanese and English. We have been teaching for almost a decade. If you are a foreigner, if you wanna learn Japanese with us, please contact us. I'm gonna put the link in the description box down below. And if you are Japanese, 英語勉強したいなら please contact us as well. Okay, so let's get started. Our first kanji for today is this kanji. It's my name. Okay, so anyway, its onyomi is san, but sometimes it becomes zan. Okay, and its konyomi is yama, which means mountain. This is how we write this yama kanji. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3. Can you see it? 1, 2, 3. So this is yama, no kanji. The examples that I have for you are kazan, ka. This kanji is the kanji for fire. And then this kanji, our first kanji is yama. If you partner this yama to ka or fire, it becomes kazan. Zan instead of just san. Kazan means volcano. The other example that I have for you is this kanji yuki. Yuki means snow. And then yama is mountain. So when you combine them together, it means snowy mountain. Yukiyama, snowy mountain. Okay, so this is our first kanji. Our second kanji is this. Its onyomi is sen and its konyomi is kawa. Kawa means river. Okay, so let me erase this one first. Kawa. So there are only 3 strokes. So it's 1, just like kind of like a slant line. 1, and then the middle line. 2, then the third line is kind of like longer than the second line or the middle line. 3. So this is kawa or river. The examples that I have for you are Ogawa. 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 The kanji for small. This is O. Then kawa. Kawa becomes gawa. Ogawa means streamlet or brook. And the other example that I have for you is this one, Kawagishi. Kawagishi means riverside or coast. I mean, gishi is the kanji for coast. Kawa. Gishi is a little bit difficult. There is yama. Yama at the top of this kanji. This one. And guys, this is kawa. Kawagishi, which means riverside. Kawa. Gishi. Gishi or kishi, this kanji means coasts or kishi. But when you partner this kishi to kawa, it becomes gishi. So it's kawagishi, which means riverside. Okay, so that is our second kanji. Our third kanji is this. Its onyomi is den and its konyomi is ta. Ta. Guys, for me, ta means kind of like a space, a field. Okay? Ta has 5 strokes. I hope I can erase it really fast. Okay, so anyway, there are only 5 strokes. It's quite easy. Ta. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 strokes. So again, the onyomi is den and the konyomi is ta. The examples that I have for you are auta. Auta means green paddy. Green. Actually, this au means blue, but here in Japan, it's kind of like interchangeable, blue and green, au and midori, because in the ancient times, one of the teachers told me that au was actually green before, and then they changed it. Now it's midori is green and then au is blue. But again, in the ancient times, au is actually green. So there are still words in Japanese that even though it's au, it means green. If you see au, it means green. Okay. For example, the example that I have for this kanji is au, where is it? Auta, or green paddy, green field. Au, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then there's ki. And then this one, ta. This is auta. Again, means green field or green paddy. But au, when it's alone, it means blue. Okay. The next one is yuden. Yuden. This yu is the kanji for oil. This is yuden. Guys, yuden means oil field. So this kanji alone means oil. And then this kanji, field. Yuden means oil field. Okay, so this is our third kanji. Our fourth kanji is this kanji. Its onyomi is seki, shaku, and koku. And its kunyomi, when it's alone, when you see this kanji alone, it means ishi. Guys, ishi means stone. The examples that I have for you, or wait, I'm gonna share with you how to write that kanji first before giving you examples. Kind of hard to erase. Okay. Okay, so again, our fourth kanji is the kanji for ishi. When you see this kanji alone, it means ishi, or the reading is ishi. The example, not example, this is how we write this kanji. So there's a line, 1, this is 1, and then 2, 3, and then there's kind of like kuchi, 3, 4, 5. So this is ishi. Ishi. Okay. And this is kind of like similar to the kanji for, if I'm not mistaken, migi. Migi no kanji wakana desu ne. Kind of similar, but this one there's no line over here, unlike this one. So please don't get confused. Anyway, the examples that I have for you are ko ishi, ko, the kanji for small, or ko, or you can also read that as o. Just like ogawa, this one is also small kanji, ko, ko, and then ishi no kanji, this kanji, ishi, ko ishi, should be longer. Ko ishi means pebble. And the other example that I have for you is jishaku. This kanji can also be read as shaku. So ji is just hiragana. Shi plus tenten is ji. And then shaku, this kanji. Jishaku means magnet. Okay, jishaku. Jishaku means magnet. The next kanji for today is this kanji. Its onyomi is so, and its konyomi is kusa. Guys, kusa means kusa means grass. 忘れそう。忘れそうでした。I was about to forget the English for this kusa. Kusa again is grass. Kusa. Oh. Okay. So the kunyomi again is so, and the kunyomi is kusa, means grass. Kusa means grass. If you see this kanji alone, there are 9 strokes to write this kanji. So it's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there are 9 strokes. The examples that I have for you are, nanigay ka na, kusabana, kusa, kusa, this one, this kanji, kusa, 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 bana, which is our next kanji, kusabana, kusa, bana, bana or hana. Kusabana means flowering plant. And the other example that I have for you is yaso. The other reading for this kanji is so, yaso. Yasai no ya, and then so. Dun, 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 dun. Is this right? This is ya. Yasai no. Yasai no ya. Yasai means vegetable. Okay. Ya plus so, this kanji. Okay, so yaso. Yaso, which means wild grass. Wild grass, yaso. Again, this kanji is the kanji for yasai no ya. This kanji and then just sai. Okay. That is our 5th kanji. Our last kanji is this kanji. Its onyomi is ka, and its kunyomi is hana, or flower. So when you see this kanji alone, it means flower. Here in Japan, some names, they use this kanji very often for their kids' name. Ka. Let's say fuka. Fuka. I don't know how do they write fu, and then the ka is this kanji, because it's a nice name when they include this to their child's name, because it's a flower. Okay. Flower. So it has a positive vibe if they use the kanji in their child's name. So anyway, this is how you write, or how we write this kanji. The kanji for hana. Hana. But sometimes you can also read that as bana, just like here. Kusabana or hana. This is how we write hana no kanji. 1, 2, 3. Can you see it? I hope you can. 1, 2, 3, and then 4, 5. This one is 6, 6, 7. Jump. 7. This is hana or ka. The examples that I have for you are hanabi, 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 hana, flower plus bi. This one is bi, hi, or ka, kayobi no ka. Hanabi means fireworks. And the last one that I have for you is this one. Ito na, hanabira ni show ka na, hanabira. Hana. Bira. B is just hiragana. Bira. Hanabira means petal. Hanabira means petal. Okay, so guys, we are done with our 6 kanji for our kanji lesson, which is about nature part 1. Before we end our lesson, guys, I'm gonna give you a quiz. Maybe for today, I'm gonna just give you three three kanji to read, okay? Okay, so the first kanji is this one. Nanigay ka na. Okay, so let me think first. So the first kanji that you have to read is this kanji. I hope you can see. I'm gonna zoom it later. This one and then this. Okay, so guys, I'm gonna give you 3 seconds to read this kanji. Okay, so are you ready? 3, 2, 1. The answer is Kazan. Kazan, which means volcano. Okay guys, our next kanji is this kanji. Okay, so this kanji. Okay guys, that's it. So I'm gonna give you 3 seconds to answer or read this kanji. 3, 2, 1. The answer is Alta, which means green field or green paddy. Our last kanji for today, so please try to read this kanji. This one? Sorry. I should bend a little lower. Okay, so guys, this is our last kanji. Please try to read this in 3 seconds. So 3, 2, 1. The answer is Ishi, which means pebble. Okay guys, we are done with our lesson for today, which is about nature part 1. Please watch out for the part 2. Anyway, that's all for today, and I hope you learned something from today's kanji lesson, and see you soon. Goodbye!